என் அன்பான உறவுகளுக்கு வணக்கம். So this is the app called PanoTuner which helps a lot for a beginners to tune Shruti. So here I have given the Shrutis and the respective alphabet for PanoTuner so that you can tune your Shruti easily. So now I'll teach you how to tune a Shruti. So now I'm going to show you how does this PanoTuner app works. Okay, so now I have explained you in a previous slide that for which Shruti which PanoTuner alphabet must be tuned. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can please refer that chart. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, see, my strings are loosened. Clear? So when I pluck, you can see the alphabet moving on here and there. So now for example I'm going to take 3 Shruti, that is E. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly tune towards clockwise. You can see the alphabet moving on. So now it is in C crossing, that is 1. Now it is 1.5 Shruti, that is DB. Now it is in D, that is 2. Now it is in 2.5 Shruti, that is EB. So can you see this green color? So when it is in green, it seems that you have tuned your Shruti correctly. That is my Shruti, it is in now E, that is 3. Can you see it? Okay, fine. So now how about the second string? For what Shruti we have to tune it? So I'll explain you how it happens. Okay, so see here now. So first string it is tuned to E, right? So second string behind Ma it will be Sa. Okay, hope my Veena is visible. Okay, so second string behind Ma it is Sa. So both are Madhyasthai Sajjam, that is the swaram behind Ma in a second string is Madhyasthai Sajjam, and also the first string open string it is a Madhyasthai Sajjam. Okay, so when the Ma is 3 in Shruti, then how about the Shruti which we have to tune open string Pa? Okay, so I'll teach you how it is. Now this is 3 in Shruti, the previous will be 2.5, then it will be 2, then this will be 1.5, this will be 1, and the open Pa we have to tune it to 7, like a cycle. Understood? So totally we have 12 Shrutis. Hope you all know about it. So the open will be 7, and here the second that is behind D it will be 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. So that when we tune to B and we are going to place a finger behind Ma and if we are going to play, then it gives us 3 in Shruti. Clear? So I'll show you how it happens. So here just you also have a look on PanoTuner. So now I'm going to tune it. Now it is in A, that is 6. Now BB 6.5. So now I have got the green. So it seems that we have tuned it to 7. So now I'm going to place behind Ma. Got it? So behind Ma when I play I'm getting E, and open I should tune it to B. Clear? Likewise the third string it is a Madhyasthai Sajjam, so we have to tune it to E. So it is an E only, and the fourth string we have to tune it to again B, because the second string and the fourth main string both are Pa, that is Panchamam, that is this is Madhyasthai Panchamam, this is Anumadhyasthai Panchamam. So we have to tune it to Pa, that is Pa means B. Okay, so it is in B only. Likewise coming to Thalam strings, the first Thalam string and the first main string both are same, Madhyasthai Sajjam, so I have to tune it to E. got it. So both are same. So then the second talam string and the madhyasthai panjamam both are same. So we have to tune it to B. Okay, fine. So both are B. So the first string madhyasthai panjamam and the second talam string is same. And then now the tarasthai sajam and the third string is same. So we have to tune it again to 3. Fine. So again clearly I will explain you, just observe it. So the first string, okay, the first string and the third main string are same, so we have to tune it to 3. Okay, and the second string and the fourth string are same because both are panchamam, both swarams, the open string is panchamam. So after pa obviously it will be da, ni, sa. So behind ma it will be sa. So obviously the open sa in a first string and the second string ma, that is sa, it will be a same. So when it is 3 in Shruti, so then it will be 2 and a half, 2, 1 and a half, 1 and open sa. So like that you can calculate, or you can also have, you can have a calculation like this. See, now for example, now I have tuned it to 3. So after 3 my Re1 will be 4, the Re2 will be 4 and a half, then Ga1 will be 5, then Ga2 will be 5 and a half, then Ma1 will be 6, then Ma2 will be 6 and a half, and Pa will be 7. Okay, so like that also you can calculate, either in the reverse mode or you can in ascending or descending, either way you can use. Okay, if you're going to use it in ascending, then you use the first string. If you're going to use it in a descending, that is like backward, so you can use it here in a second string. Fine. For example, I'll also teach you one more example. Like if I'm going to tune it in a 4 in Shruti, so if my open sa is going to be in 4, then what Shruti I should tune it to second string. So after 4 it is 4 and a half, 5, 5 and a half, 6, 6 and a half, 7, then it is 1. So I have to tune my second string to 1. Okay, so let us also check it with second string. So 1, isn't it? So 1, 1 and a half, 2, 2 and a half, 3, 4. So it matches. So likewise we have to tune our strings according to the thing. So if you have any doubt, you can either comment in the comment box or you can contact me to my contact number, which I'll place in the description. So likewise the same thing here for a talam also. The first and third string we have to tune it to 4, that is, and the middle thing we have to tune according to a second string, that is 1. Okay, hope it is clear. Keep supporting me. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you so much.